Hey guys, it's just freaking us out a little bit. So, listen to that. Have you guys ever been in a bad hailstorm? Have you ever been in a bad hailstorm?
No.
I haven't either. Like,
It doesn't happen in Texas.
I'm sure I have, but it happens. I just don't remember it. It's like it's pelting the roof, and this roof is directly above us. And this is what I woke up to just a few seconds ago. Let's go outside and see how big this actually is.
I'm scared about
It's just like, oh, whoa, that's big hail. Whoa, guys, this is serious business. Oh my goodness, that's golf ball size hail. Oh, I've never been in a storm like this, guys. Okay, we're gonna have to see. Oh. I mean, all we can do right now is just pray if there's not like a tornado or something. And if this doesn't seriously damage our house.
So it can
Shady, are you
hail like,
awake?
So it can hail like this, but it can't snow.
I guess not. Whoa.
No, Liberty, Liberty!
Liberty, come! Come, Liberty.
Come.
Guys, this could seriously, like, if I went out right now, it might kill me. Can you guys see how big those pieces are? They're massive. This is so scary. Seriously, I woke up in the middle of the night. Okay, I gotta go back inside because this is freaking me out.
I'm scared that my window's gonna break because it's already cracked.
It probably will.
I know. That's why
Like, dude, I've lived in Texas for so long and I have never, ever woken up to those sounds.
my thing is the Alexa started going off. Like an alarm.
An alarm did?
Yeah, and then I don't know if I woke up to that or the.
Should we be sheltering right
I
now?
don't know.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, turn it on.
Wait.
Okay, things are getting a little serious right now. I think we're gonna be okay though. We're fine, we're fine.
Out there.
Huh?
Don't do.
Huh? It's okay, Shay. I just want to document this because this is like really scary.
The Alexa's outside.
I just can't risk even going out there right now because the golf ball, or there's like this big, this is the hail. The hail's like this big.
But it emitted.
But you know what? I can even tell it's getting smaller. It's getting smaller. The hail's getting smaller, y'all. I think I can even grab one of the pieces. Okay guys, we're outside right now. This is insane. Now it's just rain. That's good news, guys. So that means that the worst of the storm probably past us. Okay. I think we're in the clear, guys. Oh, that's like one of the most scary moments of my life, guys. Oh, I'm so glad that it's past us. Look, you can't hear it anymore. It's just thunder and lightning and rain. Oh. Oh man, my heart was beating so hard, guys. Oh, have you ever had like a scary situation like that? It's just the middle of the night, guys. I don't even know what time it is right now. What time is it, y'all? 6 in the morning? Oh my goodness. Are you guys going back upstairs? Have you ever experienced anything like that?
No.
Oh my goodness, were you freaked out?
Yeah.
We freaked out enough to like come downstairs. Was it hitting your window?
Yeah.
Guys,
I could hear it like hitting it, so I didn't know if it was like hitting it or just like cracking the window, so it just kicked down.
in the morning we're gonna have to like do a damage assessment and like see if, I'm sure that there's like we're gonna have to probably like do an insurance claim on our roof, because there's no way that that hail with that size didn't really do some serious damage to our roof.
Yeah.
Oh man. Let's go out the front door.
No liberty.
No liberty, don't go. Oh man, guys. Oh, here, I'm gonna grab this. Guys, look at this. That is serious. Let me drop this leaf.
I was like, that's a
Oh.
leaf, Dad.
I've never seen hail that big, guys. Oh, that is huge. Look at that.
That's crazy.
Not golf ball size, but big enough to freak you out. Oh my goodness. Y'all, that's big hail. Here, let me show.
My drink.
Yeah, this is like what you guys would put in your drink. Oh my goodness, let me get in the light here. The good news, y'all, is that we are safe. Oh, that is so big. I've never lived through hell that big. I've never woken up to sounds like that.
Hi y'all, so it's the morning now and we are going to go check our cars after the crazy hailstorm.
Yeah, you think that the cars are gonna have any damage?
I don't know.
I'm just kind of scared to go look.
Wow, there's a lot of leaves right there.
You look like, oh yeah, like right there. Maybe y'all can see that. It's not big though. Let's see my car. Man, my car needs to be washed. Oh yeah. There's definitely some dents.
I can see it right here. There's one here
Yeah.
and here.
Oh yeah. There's like indentations.
I thought at the windshield.
I wonder.
Broke.
I know, me too, Shay. But you know what? It didn't break the windows. Let's see here. Wow, actually, oh yeah, I can tell right there. There's like an indentation. But you know what? Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah.
That's good. That's really good. I can't get on the roof right now, but as soon as I can, I think that's where there's gonna be some damage. So yeah guys, crazy night last night. Oh my goodness. But I'm just so glad that we're all okay.
Yeah, and I feel kind of bad for Abby because since it was raining so hard, if there was damage in the roof, then it would go to the attic and then it would go through her room.
Yeah.
And I would feel really bad for her because
that would be so scary. And especially like her windows right there. So it's like pounding her window. And it's like a bigger window than yours.
yeah,
Well, and you were downstairs anyway.
yeah. And I heard it loud. I woke up.
What did you say this morning when you woke up about it?
I said, "Is it true that there's a hailstorm?" I thought it was a dream.
You thought you were dreaming?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'm glad that we're okay. And let us know if you've ever lived through something like that. It was really, really scary. I mean, it really freaked me out. And yeah. Anyway. always remember to be kind
and to
and love each other.
We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.